Friends, don't take this chapter lightly. Pick up the board lying on the side and look at it. More than 50% of the components that you will get will be in the register. If you have Maharat Pani in board repairing, then you have to watch this video in its entirety without skipping. If you understand, I will bring many more parts of the register because I'm trying to teach friends who want to make their career in this line. They don't have money. To complete the course, those who are still working at card level in card level, then friends, today's chapter is register. Part 1 of our module 1 chapter 2 is register. So I am going to talk about a very important topic. So watch it completely. It is an electronic part that blocks the flow of electrons. This reduces the current. In other words, its output voltage is less than the input voltage. It is used in electronics such as radios, TVs, VCRs, computers, fax machines and mobiles. Every electronic device needs this feature. You can see below here, this is our symbol. When we will work at the schematics level, when we open the schematics, then we will be shown this symbol. Then by seeing this symbol, we have to recognize that this is a part of the register. Okay, this second one here, which is visible, this is also a symbol, but this symbol is a bit, it is used somewhere, someone is used in schematic, but by default, which is mostly this symbol, which is our use. All right, let's move on. Now, like denoting letter means like register, we are going to understand in a diagram what will be its denoting letter, meaning what will be its identity. Then its identity is R. As an example, you see below here, I have such a circuit a little bit and see here R is written here 135 and the symbol is also attached here. So here we get double confirmation that this is a sure register. It is also showing you the symbol here and it is showing R here, and this further number which is showing how many registers are installed on that board, like R1, R2, 3. By doing this, if 500 registers are installed, then R500 is understood. 500 R1, R2, R3, R50, R100, R150, R200. So if we are engaged in the register of 500 board, then the whole number of 500 will come. Then you understand this R135. Its location number has been written R, meaning this is the register, and you can also see here below here people have a second register here, and if you see here then also look on this side there is a register here, R is written, and look here also this register is attached, R is also attached here. Okay friends, let's move forward. So if you come down here, look down here, there is also a small circuit here. So also see over here, if I zoom over here, if I zoom on here, then see here PR28 is written and symbol is written right now. As I just told you above, R is written. So here someone is also given P in schematics. PR is written, well that is also the location of a register. The location number is the R of the register, is the identification. Look below, it is not given here either. R is given here. Then this happens in some schematic, but we have to see mostly the symbol only. People identify what is from the symbol. Engineers identify what is us. Now we move downwards from the symbol. Now see here, see the major unit arms. Let me show you the calculation of this, like 1000 arms over here. If it shows 1000 ohms in a multimeter, then what will we call it? 1 kilo ohms is fine. 1000 ohms of 1 will be said to be 1. Well, 1 kilo ohms, and if there will be 1000 kilo ohms will be 1000 K. So it will be 1 mega ohms. Okay? It will be 1 mega ohms. Okay, this is what you have to keep in mind. Write it down in the book. Okay, stop the video, you write it down and come here. If we see here, real shape, what is the real shape of our register? There are two types of registers inside the real shape. The first is the solid type register. This is a conscious register. The second is our SMD type register surface mounted device, which means it is a register mounted on a surface. Okay, if we come down here, then if I show you here, then see these here are the solid type registers here. These registers which are, there are holes in our board, in the board, those two pins, like this one pin and this one pin go into the hole of that board, and from the other side of that, means from the opposite side of the board, they solder it there. So this is the solid type register. So here if you look at the bottom, these solid type registers which we do not read, because our laptop and desktop motherboards do not have solid type registers. We will not read it because the boards of our laptops and desktops do not have these registers. Yes, you will get in SMPs, but SMPs we are not reading. We are reading. Alright, about the motherboard. We are reading about motherboard repairing. Let's skip it. Let us go further and further, then let us see how many types of SMG type registers there are here. There are 4 types of registers in our motherboard. The first one, which is the body printed register. Let's see what these two sides are here. It will be silver. There will be a black body in the middle, and what is written on it will remain. The body is the printed register from which we can read its homes here, read its number. They can read what size it is. See also here. Look down here too. The silver has a black body and number. Okay, this has become a type. And here if we come to the example, then see here, this is a register on the motherboard of this laptop of ours. See here, a register has become printed here. A register has become here. See here, the 0 ohms has become registered here. Okay, here showing 0. Here for another board example, see here, this is also registered, and see here. See, the PR is written as PR19, means its location number. The number of this register, which is PR19. Okay. PR19 is number from which also take above. Then see here, just R409 is given here. Well, this is also our location number. This is the register. This gives us double confirmation that this is our register. Okay, look here. If so, see here also there is register PR20, where see this is also register PR18, and somewhere see friends see or 19 at 23 PR23. In this way, we have to recognize in the board that this is our register. Now look here, the non-printer register. Okay, there is no print on, just see where this register is. This register which you are seeing is our register on which it is so small that there is no print on it. How will we know the value that needs to be checked? We will know only in schematics. Its value is what its value is. We will know only in schematics. If you go down, look at this type. There will be a black body in the middle but no print. Later silver, 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 black body, silver. Okay, this is our identity. Now here if they come in the board, then see an example here for an IC. See how many registers are installed. Well, this is also our board. That's the register. See also these registers, they are so small that there is nothing to print on them. Look here also, look at this, and look at its size. Look how small it is, right? Silver, black body, silver. Okay, silver, silver and black body. Okay, see this also here, also here, also here, also register here. See, its location number is given here. Okay, see its location here, capcator, 2 capcator here, 2 capcator or register. Look in the middle here, this register, its number is this. Okay, R705. Okay, and see here, this also one, this also register. See here, R666, R665. Oh, this is the number of the register. Okay, here came in the second example, then came in the second picture. Then see here also our register here. These are all the registers. Okay, this is also the register. Non-printed, okay, which is, this is our register. Okay, now let's go down now, or which comes. The third SMD pack register, or it is called network register. It's donating letter, which is different. Like we saw R, it is different. It has RNC here. It has RN or PRN, right? It has RN or PR denoting letter. It is fine for its identification. See this in appearance. This happens. See in it there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lags. This register, which is black, has silver in the middle and it is printed on it. Okay, and see here, this is also a little example. I have put this. See, this is what happens, friends, after working hard. It takes a lot of time to make it. How to do research, how easy I will explain to you all this in making a presentation. It takes time, friends, hard work. If you are getting even a little knowledge for this, with this video, please encourage me by liking and commenting, because it is only through liking and commenting that I get encouragement in making the videos we teach you and in teaching you. Motivation feels okay. So let's move forward. Now see what this pack register is, our network register. See here, how is the instruction inside it? Now see what these registers are. They are face to face. Like if we take it up, you see what this register is, our face to face. As seen here, you connect this registration with this registration. This registration forms a register in a complete 4 pack. Okay, 4 registers are packed. Then one register becomes ours here, then this becomes our network register. Okay guys, watch this video carefully friends, because this is it. There is one thing that will make you master at the advanced level, because people just keep changing it. If you don't pay attention to the register here, then friends go and read further. If I show an example of this, look here, look here. See RN212, right? RN212, this is our register, right? See, also see the name of this, RN1807. Okay, RN1807, see this. This is coming by writing our RN. This is in coding, and see, this is our register. Okay, see, this is our register. Here is what we call network pack. Is it network pack register? Sorry, pack register, or say network register. See this here, also see this here. You can see it here. There are so many registers that we are seeing. See this register here also. This is our CPU here. There will be a lot of registers around the CPU, because what we say is that there is a problem in the CPU. Sometimes the problem is also in this. Guys, if you don't understand this, if you can't check, how will you do it? You will say this is the issue from CPU. Friends, I am showing you all this basic at very advanced level. So you watch the video carefully. Check out our list here. What's its number? RN is 1505. Isn't it coming with RN written? RN. See, this is this register. So R is written here friends. Okay. So this has become an example here now. We are going to the fourth register. This is the fourth register. This is our 4000 register. If you are watching here, I have just told you an example. You must have known that this register of ours has two registers. So we call it 4 leg. These are the two registers. So here pay for leg is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This for register out for pin. If there is a 4 leg, then there are two registers in this. Okay friends, now we go down. See this for the example. I have put a screenshot of the board in it. See here it is visible 4 leg. It has an RN code. It also has RN coding and denoting header. Okay friends, 2 have been seen here. C1 here, also here 3. And it is seen somewhere friends, C1 here also. Okay. 1 is seen here, and where is it friends? See, and friends are seeing somewhere what is going down. See, also lived here but not given on the board here. Okay guys, look at this. You probably don't know what this thing is, but you've got a lot of information in this video. Friends, this is advanced level. No one tells you this, but I am telling you. Well, this free of cost course will take you all the way to my very advanced level. Okay friends, you have understood so much. Now let's pay a little more attention to it here. Okay, look here, 3-digit code here. I see you practically. As if here, if you will notice here, then see here, there are 3 digits. Okay, how many digits are there here friends? 3. I had shown you what is written on top of the register is 3 digits. Not the same digit here. See, there is a 3-digit number. And look over here too, there are 3 digits over here too. So what did he call this? To do multiplayer, right? Except for the starting 2 alphabets, which is the third one is ours, which is this third one, we will do multiplayer, this third one. Are we going to multiplayer what we see? Okay, 3 digits. I am talking about the register. Then how many ohms are there? It will come out like 2021. It is okay. We have to multiply it, right? You will have 1 if there is 0 here, then 0 will not increase here, right here. 1 will remain, so 22. How much is into 1? 22 ohms, okay. And look over here, 4 to 71. This 1 shows us how many zeros will be in front of 1. Well, now like 1 came over here. It is written, 1 is written right now. Like here we leave these 2 and catch the third one. Then here are 2. Look at these 2. We'll make 2 zeros. This is like 2. Then here we will add 2 zeros in front of 201. Now from which there is 0 here. So not a single zero will come here. There are two here. So see here two zeros have come here. Okay, let me tell you that if there is 102 then 10, this 10 will write here, 10 written here. Okay, and of this 10 which we will write here. There are two numbers. We will write here on the starting side of this and we will multiply this on the two side of this. Well, what will happen by multiplying? If we do 1000 to 10, how much will it be? 11,000 ohms is fine. If 1000 ohms comes, then at what range will the multimeter keep the multimeter? A range above 1 is fine. I have told you the use of a multimeter in the previous video. Only then you will understand this. So what is ohm of 1 over here? Ohms of 1 shown when your 1000 ohms will be. Okay, now look here 47, then 47 is written here, 2 is written here, then we will increase 2 zeros here, then we will do multiplier. 4700 has come, 4700 ohms. If it comes, then how much will we have? K. Kilo, how many kilo ohms? How much will be? 4.7 kilo ohms. Okay, 44.7 ohms will be ours now. Where will we put the multimeter? 4.7K. Put 1 in the upper range, then you will see the range of 47 over here makes sense. Alright, that's how we understand it. Guys, it's the same here now. See here 4 digits. Here we will take 3 in 4 digits. We will take 3 and put 0. Okay, there's no 0 here. Then we will write the starting 3 here. 101 is written here. Then we will increase 1 0 here. We will take 3 digits here. 2 is written. Then we will increase 2 zeros here. Yes, one thing so I had forgotten here. See, R is written here. Okay, these two numbers have been used here. It is empty. Two digit numbers. Okay then. So we will not multiply this. What will happen over here? Look at 3 anytime. Pay attention. Sometimes this will give an R or in the middle. Those R will hold the point. It is fine. 3.3 ohms. I understand, friends. This is the thing that I am showing you right now. Show this. This will also come in the schematics. Then you keep it in your mind here and write it down in the book that I have told you about, the workbook. Okay. 3 written here. Point in place of RR and 3 written here. Now how much has become ours here? 3.3 ohms. Okay. This is how you will calculate the 2-digit number printed register. Now look at the 4 digits here. 3 written here. 3 here, there is 0. So 0 has not hit before 1 here. Now here is 200. So look ahead of 200 is to increase 1 0. Here is 100. How many zeros to make here? Written 100 here. And how much to increase here? 2 zeros, and look here 15. Okay. There is a 2-digit number. Okay. R has been given in the middle. Okay. Then okay, what will you do with 15R in the point? If we will use it, then it signifies how much 15 ohms we will observe in the multimeter. Dear friends, now that we are here, if you have arrived at this point, you have watched the complete video, and if you have any thoughts regarding it, so please like me, and I mean like my videos, and subscribe to the channel. Friends, I will keep bringing such informative videos and will keep the course moving forward. Will keep increasing if you will support me, friends. It requires a considerable amount of effort. This isn't merely a task of presentation, but I am preparing all of this for you, dear friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. In the upcoming video, we will continue with the topic of this register. Alright, goodbye.